Hi, everybody. My name is Taylor Wilson, and I have the extraordinary privilege of directing Reveal's internship program. For the last several years, I've been able to engage with talented students from around the country in a host of different domains. I've seen interns create things that have gone on to directly support federal clients, to transform the way that agencies do their work, and I've even seen interns propose new ideas that ultimately become business opportunities for the company.
Hello, my name is Yezi Lee. Everyone calls me Angie. I am working as a chief methodologist, and I also run the Reveal Lab. Internship program, I wanted to say that this is an opportunity for us to connect all of the interns and help them to work on actual real problems, so real challenges. They bring a lot of different creative ideas. We're always inspired by them, and then we just work as a collaboration to solve the actual real problem.
This summer at Reveal, my project is working with the US Census to convert a lot of their legacy code bases into modern infrastructure using AI and specifically large language models, which should ultimately save a lot of money in terms of licensing costs and also improve their efficiency.
This has given me a really good opportunity. I've been able to work with the whole back office team to support their accounting. And it's been really interesting, learning and seeing how different parts of the company come together and operate.
Here at Reveal this summer, I've been working mainly on a continuation of a project from my university where I've been evaluating the optical character recognition model that the National Archives has in place. This project has been really fun for me because it allows me to combine my interests of history and data science into one for practical use that increases public access to information.
During the internship, I worked on building a interactive dashboard using R Shiny to help improve how we communicate economic activity to the public.
My name is Hector Ferronato. I'm the VP of Engineering here at Reveal. I've been with the company for 7 years now actually. Started as an intern and have been learning along the way and glad to contribute to the company as well all this time. So I think my advice for myself back then would be, don't be afraid to fail. It's okay and it's part of the process. Try fast and fail fast. I think that's really why we have an internship program, is that you can actually try things and just really push the limits of your capabilities, the limits of the technology, and create something truly new. And to do that, you need to fail.
Support that the community is there to help you. All you have to do is ask for it. People will come over and help you out. You just have to raise your hand, be sincere about what you don't know. And I want to make sure that they get challenged. And I have very smart people in the room who do that.